lesson all about near-Earth objects, like asteroids. An asteroid is a small rocky object that orbits the sun. You may have heard of the asteroid belt located between planets Mars and Jupiter, where tons of these rocky bodies live. The Aerospace Corporation, in partnership with NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, or JPL, created a near-Earth object deflection app, where you can take on the role of a scientist to save planet Earth from an asteroid collision. After identifying near-Earth objects through a citizen science exercise and learning about fireballs through an online NASA investigation, you will enter a simulation to save Earth from an oncoming asteroid. Teachers, you can also teach this as a lesson to your whole class. Head to our website for our lesson plan, teacher guide reference, slideshows, handouts, and more. Have fun and let us know how you did. Plus, stay tuned for a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the app next week.